In this video, we are going to go over exactly how to trade stocks with a small account. A lot of traders think you need $25,000 in order to trade the stock market. No one needs $25,000 in order to trade the stock market or even to day trade. I am going to reveal in this video my secret to helping traders trade their accounts with under $25,000. My name is Coach Cota. I've been day trading for 11 years. I look forward to helping you go from losing money to becoming a profitable trader in the stock market.
And now let's go into how to trade if you do not have account value over $25,000. So I know that not everyone here has an account over 25,000. Some of you do, which is fantastic. If you have over 25K in your account, you're golden. You don't have to worry too much about small account trading tactics, but you still have something to gain and learn from learning how to trade with a small account, because these are still the principles and techniques that I want you to employ while you're trading your own account. Okay. Step number one, you have to focus on only the most high quality trades. So if you are trading, okay, and Paige, feel free to jump in at any time with any questions. But if you are trading a small account, you have to make sure that you are only trading the top stocks on our watch list. You're only trading the stocks with the greatest amount of confirmation. And a lot of those stocks you're going to find in the confirmation channel, right? F hit profit target 4 today. That's Ford, right? Very safe stock. We bought the stock from 1490 to 1505. And by the way, we didn't have to sell this stock right away. And so that brings me to my second strategy for small accounts, is to swing trade, right? Instead of buying the stocks that are day trades, focus on our swing trades, because we don't just day trade stocks here. We also swing trade stocks as well. And we just had a number of winning swing trades that are up a combined 40%. Okay. In the trade updates, our swing trades, which are called out just a few days ago, BFOY is up 13% today. It just hit profit target 3. BYND, which we called out about a week and a half ago, is now up 50%. AG, which was called out 4 days ago, it's finally ready to rocket. Everyone's favorite AG, all the way up to 636 today. Profit target 6. When you're trading with a small account, try buying a stock, a high quality stock, a stable stock, a swing trading stock, and then holding it until the next day. That way you don't have to use the day trade. Does that make sense, Paige?
Yeah, it makes sense. My apologies. I didn't mean to interrupt. How do I know a strong trade?
How do you know a strong trade? I will always mark the strong trades, the strongest trades, with the adjective stable. I like stable stocks. I like stocks that are going to slowly climb, right? They're going to slowly grow your trading account. These are not always the trades that are going to move up the fastest, but they are the trades that are most likely to go up. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Okay. So
you were gonna say something. You were gonna say something.
Yeah. What's up?
No, you were gonna say something. I kind of you wanted to say something then. Yeah.
I wanted to say it's not so much about making $10,000 on every single trade. It's more about growing your trading account over time. And the way that you do that, and there's a lot of traders, and I'm glad that they have, the way that you grow your trading account over time is by taking the trades that are the most safe and comfortable for you. So if you feel comfortable buying into a stock like Ford just has the symbol F. Let's take a look at Ford stock. So here's Ford stock, and you can see that this stock, which we purchased Ford stock at $15 on the confirmation channel right here. Okay. So we bought it $15. The stock just slowly climbed after we purchased the stock. The stock slowly climbed. So it went 1508, and then it climbed to 1521. And then the next day, which is today, it climbed to 1543. So the stock is stable because it doesn't move up right away to all the profit targets. But that's good for you, because it means that you don't have to have $25,000 in your account to trade it.
The second method for trading with a small account is to swing trade stocks. Swing trade stocks. But in order for a swing trade to work, it has to be a high quality stock. You have to find the highest quality stocks in the stock market, just like my traders who made money on Beyond Stock. As you can see right here on the Pro Discord, Beyond Stock was called on June 24th. This means that the stock can be swing traded if the stock stays above the $12 level. This is what you want to be looking for. You want to be looking for stocks that are so strong that they push past the level and they never look back. And that stock was Beyond Stock for me and my trading team. And that's how we were able to make 50% in just 2 weeks' time. If you want to join my trading team and start trading profitably in the stock market, click the link in the description. I will let you join my traders who are already trading profitably every single day with my trades. As a pro member, you will get access to my trades every single trading day. You will get access to my analysis every single trading day. You'll get access to coaching in my Discord group, which you don't get access to in the majority of other stock trading groups. If you're tired of losing money, it's time to take a step in the right direction. It's time for a change. And I'm proud to offer you a change that actually works. I'm proud to show you how to trade stocks successfully, just like I have for Skexis, which I helped him recover his full trading account, just like I have for Kiana Cutie, who I took her trading account from red to green, and just like I'm going to do for you when you click the link in the description and schedule a coaching call with me, and we work together to build your trading account back to where it was. Thank you guys for watching this channel. Click this link if you'd like to learn about how to spot stock market manipulation before it happens.